Imagine a world where every family begins its day with forgiveness, where hearts once heavy with grudges are liberated. The teachings of Islam offer this very path. Letting go of past grievances can lighten your soul, bringing you closer to Allah's vision for harmonious living. Islam beautifully illustrates forgiveness in its holy texts, reflects upon Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's life, where mercy overcame vengeance. His actions teach us how embracing forgiveness can transform relationships, creating an environment rich in compassion and understanding within our homes. Communication is key in mending broken relationships. Initiate heartfelt conversations in your family, share your feelings openly, and listen without judgment. Instill these values in your children, demonstrating the virtues of empathy and patience, nurturing a future generations founded on mutual respect and love. By choosing reconciliation, we reap the fruits of peace and unity. It strengthens familial bonds, fostering an environment where children feel secure, cherished, and understood. As parents model forgiveness, they transform their homes into sanctuaries of empathy, setting a precedent that echoes through generations. Take this opportunity to lead with compassion and courage. Let today be the day you choose to forgive, reach out, mend what is broken, and craft a legacy of love. Join us on this journey. Share your stories and inspire others to walk the path of forgiveness and reconciliation.